doesn't do too much, but what he does is terrific. And somebody's going to get a chance to take it home. Compliments to me. 6 keys, only 1 key works. Would you try all the keys? When you come to the right one, open the box, put the batteries in a glass. Take your time, make it look like a wrong trick. Put the batteries in a glass. You'll come to it eventually. What you're doing is possibly the only legitimate thing I do. Oh, that's it? Put the other battery in the glass. We're going to use it in a minute. I told it was beautiful. You say, what does he do? It doesn't do too much, but what he does is terrific. Get ready. Thank you. Is his mouth open? Never have your mouth open public. Good. Put the card in your pocket. Don't look at it. Put it in your pocket. Don't look at it. Put it in your pocket. Willie, take your finger, take a peek at one card. Don't let the bird see it. He's thinking of a card. Dick had one in the pocket. Nobody has seen it. Your job, try to name the 2 cards. Would you do those 2 tricks for me, please? Showtime. Would you do the 2 tricks for him? For you to do it. I'd give him 1 quick look. That's all he needs. If you ask him a question, if he sings a chirp, he's telling you yes. If he doesn't sing a chirp, he's telling you no. If he fails, $50 goes to somebody. Only reason he's a little shabby looking at 11 years old. Card in the pocket. Is it a black card? He says it's a black card. Is it a spade? It's a spade.
Is it?
You want a drink? No drinking on a job. No drinking on a job. I'm different. You mentioned a card one at a time. When he mentioned a card, you stop him immediately and be thinking of his card. Just between you and the bird, I just watch. That's right, he'll stop it. He'll stop. We know it's a spade, that's according to the bird. Just mention it one at a time.
2 spades.
2. 3.
4. 5.
5.
6. 7.
You're going in order. That's
8. 9.
Checkmate. He might have 9 in space.
I haven't seen it yet.
If he fails, $50. Did he miss it? Oh! Blow on the back of it, change it for his card. What am I doing? What was your card? Beautiful card. I love that card. Take a little peek at one card, but don't let the bird see it. Just take your finger, take a little peek at one. Don't let the bird see it. Oh, he saw it. He saw it. Take it so he don't. Did you see it?
No.
Oh, what do you think it might have been? What do you think it might have been?
A king, but I don't remember the corner.
Oh, take it. It was a spade. Take it. We got you. He said no problem. Would you cut him in half? Is her card in this bunch? He did not see it. We don't need it. Over here. Oh, cut those in half. We get to it eventually. Is it one of these? He sees it. He sees it. You cut those in half. Is it one of these? We don't need these. What the hell you mean you're not sure? Take a gamble over here. Over here. Oh, one of these. Keep in mind that the bird miss is only human. Take those fingers, touch them one at a time. When she touches her card, you stop her. Put your tail down, you think better. You might have missed one. You might have missed. Oh, what was your card?
King of Diamonds.
Oh, my God. Hit the woman that she got. I'll tell you how they're done. She said, they're all King of Diamonds. no matter which one you touch. Remember that made you mad. What did you tell her? That he used to do it that way. But if you'd have missed, what would have happened? He said, use emergency. But he does one thing that baffles me. He can call a dice shot. And this fool you do not feel too bad. Now we know a pair of dice has to show 7 all the way around. 7, 7, 7, 1. I'm sorry. 7, 7, 7, 7, 5. Got to be a 2 likewise. Well, you look like a crapshoot. Look them over real good. Examine them closely. Look them over real good. Roll them out a few times and make sure they favor no point. Bank them against my arm. If you make 4 passes, you could win $50. Compliment to me. 4, little Joe. 4 your point, 4 the big one. 6, 4 your point. Crap. I'm not using that language. It's crap. 10. Turn them over, Willie. 6. Make 4 passes. You got $50. Compliment to me. Crap. 9. 2 4s. Well, 7 away. Sean, they favor no particular point. You're going to lay him in the glass. I'm going to shake him in this manner. Turn the glass over, but the bird is going to try to call the number. Whatever roll you call, if he fails, $50 could come somebody's way. Call the roll. What roll? First, second, third, fourth. What roll? The 4th roll. Ooh, that's real close. Hold your dice. Hold your hand like this. Hold the dice so I don't touch it. Hold them in one hand like this. Hold your other hand like this so the bird can feel the vibration. Just hold it flat. Don't drop it. I don't have time to fix it. Okay, what was the roll? She said the 4th roll. He said no problem, no problem. On the 4th roll, will the number be 12, 11, 10, 9? I told you you'd think better with your tail down. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 6. Very common number. 5, 4, 3, 2. That's snake eye. He said that's right. That's a terrible point. He said he only calls him as he feels. He says a 2 on the 4th roll. If he fails, $50 goes to compliments and okay. I have to say the little incident happened. That woman said the bird can look through the glass. So nobody accused the bird looking through the glass. I covered it. Absolutely no way the bird could look through the glass and see 50 to the stake. Would you lay him in there? First roll. 7. You can get a couple of shots too. Go ahead. Sam, you said the 4, didn't you?
Right.
Stand by. We may have a winner. Turn them over. Lift the glass up. And 12. Go ahead. 3rd roll. 3rd roll. Lift up the glass. 8. 8. This is the 4th roll. I take over. This is it. This is it. He got it. The bird is going to tell us what you're going to get, and if he fails, 50 is yours. You want to do it in the open, use the glass. Don't need the glass. Don't need the glass.